Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to see your blocked list on Instagram. Let's get started. To start, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, at the top right corner of your screen, click on the three horizontal lines and then select Settings and Privacy. Using the search bar, type in blocked for easier access, and then you will see an option labeled blocked, and then just select that. In here, you'll see a list of all the accounts you've blocked on Instagram, and if you want to unblock any of these accounts, just click the unblock button beside the name of that account and confirm that you want to unblock. And that's how you can easily see your blocked list on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!